Do I need a special license to be a landlord? What's happening, YouTube? Thank you for watching Mentorship Monday. My name is Matt Freckla. My company is the DeRosa Group, and thanks for watching. The Mentorship Monday works like this. Folks email questions over to helpme@DeRosaGroup.com. That is helpme@DeRosaGroup.com, and I answer your questions right here on the YouTube page for you and everyone else to learn from. So today's question comes from David. And David is hitting us up from Oregon. And what David wants to know: as the owner and landlord property manager, do I need a special license? Oregon does have a property manager's license, but I'm unclear if this is mandatory when being an owner. So here's the deal, David. There are things that you need and there's things that you don't. Different areas might require a landlord registration. That just means you fill out a piece of paper, you let them know who the landlord is, that if the town sees an issue or violation or needs to contact the owner of a property, they will look on that landlord registration certificate and they can call you. Very common. And so that's just a registration certificate. If you are but that's not what I would call a license. That's more of a registration, just so that you're on their radar, that if they need to reach you, they can, right? In most areas that I have been, you do not need to have a direct license to be a landlord. Now, you may need to have a real estate license if you're managing on behalf of other people. Almost everywhere that I've been, that requires a real estate license, and that's because you're becoming them. You're collecting rent on behalf of them. You are marketing the property on behalf of them. You're doing all these things on their behalf. That requires, in most areas that I've looked at, a real estate license. Okay, but if you're doing this for yourself, if you own the property, you are the owner, there's no license that I've seen that you require just to be landlord. Now, there may be landlord registration certificates. There may be landlord registrations you might have to do to register the exact property itself as a rental. But there's no licensure that I've ever seen a landlord have to get for themselves to be a landlord of something that they're maintaining on their own. But this is very important. This leads to a bigger conversation that it's important to look into what the local codes and requirements are for every place that you do business. Some places require something called a certificate of occupancy. Other places don't require that. Some places require landlord registration certificates or landlord, you just registering yourself as a landlord with them, or registering the property as a rental property, whatever it may be. Different areas are going to require different things. So it pays very much in your due diligence to make sure that you are abiding by the local codes as a landlord for what the town that you're doing business in requires, because every town is different. But to answer your question is, I've never seen a special license that you personally have to get to be a landlord. Could be wrong, never know. If you guys watching know of an area that requires licensure, leave it in the comment box. Love to hear from you. But that's what I got. Thank you, David. Thank you guys for watching. As always, it's helpme@DeRosaGroup.com, and do not forget to jump out to our website, and that's DeRosaGroup.com. right here, DeRosaGroup.com, and sign up for our newsletter, or check out some other stuff that DeRosa Group's up to if you guys want to keep track and keep up with us. So I appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching. Have a great and profitable week.